Elections are the biggest festival in a democracy, and voting is the biggest celebration of any election. Under the supervision of Indian Election Commission, the process of elections for the 18th Lok Sabha is underway. It would not be wrong to say that the 2024 Indian general election is the largest electoral process in human history. It is the ECI's responsibility to ensure that every eligible voter in the country has access to exercise his or her franchise. To ensure this, many a times ECI has to set up a model and sometimes even unique polling stations in far-flung and remote areas of the country. In our series on India's unique polling stations, this time we are taking you to the remote village of Jabde, located in Kupwara district under the Baramulla Lok Sabha seat in Jammu and Kashmir. Surrounded by mountains on all sides, Jabde is located very close to the LOC and has a very idyllic setting. ECI has established a unique polling station in Jabde for the 380 voters of the Bijaldar and Jabde villages, which have a combined population of 680 people. Among these voters, there are 188 women and 192 men. The Election Commission and the administration had already completed all the necessary arrangements in time for the voting, ensuring that there would be no disruptions during the election process. Election officials went door to door to raise awareness about voting. As a result of this awareness campaign, enthusiasm among the voters of the area was palpable.
बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस और encouraging रिस्पांस है. Voters are coming out of their homes, polling station तक पहुंच रहे हैं, queues हैं. I am hopeful for a very good voter turnout.
The scenes from Jabde village in Jammu and Kashmir bolster confidence in India's democracy.
मैं यहाँ के जबड़ी गांव LOC की रहने वाली हूँ और मैं वोट देने आई हूँ. मेरा वोट देना हक है क्योंकि मैं भारत की रहने वाली हूँ. मेरा वोट देना मेरा हक है.
Given its sensitivity from a security perspective, the army stood vigilant in the entire area. Arrangements were also made to ensure that elderly and differently abled voters faced no difficulties.
दूर से आए यहाँ वोट पोलिंग अमला हमारी मतलब इसमें खिदमत के लिए कि भाई हमें भी कोई अपना हक अदा करना चाहिए. और इसलिए मैं मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि भाई हर आदमी हिंदुस्तानी शहरी होने के सबूत दे, को अपना वोट को यहाँ अपना इस्तेमाल करे अपना. बाकी इसी वोट में हमारा भला है, इसी हमारे ये जो हक हम अदा कर रहे हैं इसी में हमारा भला है.
Election Commission of India has done a commendable job to strengthen democracy in the country. Establishing such unique polling stations in such remote and sensitive areas go a long way in keeping and ensuring that faith.
संसद टीवी के और भी प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube चैनल और हाँ, इन्हें लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें.